before I go into deep into Vedas, just few points. Yesterday I said Ved is not written by anybody. Ved is apaurushaya, not human invention. So it comes from the Lord, received by the rishis. Rishi. Risivati iti rishi. So one who has received, that is called rishi. He has heard that words. It was eternal. Ved was in the time of Bhagwan Ram, same Vedas were. And this Kathopanishad is from the Vedas only. You mean to say Bhagwan Ram also studied Kathopanishad? Yes. When he was a student, he studied, but don't think he himself is Ishwar. From him only Upanishad has come out. Okay. So this Ved is there. Very brief outline. I'll go more into detail as we progress. So Ved are 4 in numbers: Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, or Athar Ved. And in this content of Vedas, there is 2 portions. One is called Ved Purv, another is called Ved Ant. Prior bhag, prior part of Vedas, and later part of Vedas. Earlier part and main part. Why? In the Ved Purv bhag, Karm is mentioned, which is called Karm Kand. Karm Kand is mentioned. Okay. I don't think so. You must have seen Vedas. Seen. People don't see also Vedas nowadays. So I am trying to get one Veda here. Ved Bhagwan. I want to establish here. So that you can have darshan of Vedas at least. You don't have seen also. You know, Vedas are our main text. So in the court, when they go, they have to put hand. They have to put, I swear in the name of God. And you touch the Bible. No? You touch the Bible. Say, no? And even Hindus touch the Bible. Or they touch the Vedas. They touch the Gita. Huh? Bible you touch, then you can lie. No. No. Don't touch the Bible. In the court also. But India, they take the Bible. And Hindus are there. They are given Gita. I touch in the name of Bhagwan. When they are witness or somebody, then they say. But actually, main text of Hinduism is not Gita. It is Vedas. From the Vedas, everything else has come out. And Vedas are not written by anybody. We will slowly know. This is a very important topic. But I think you need time. Only what time? Only 6 weeks are there? No, don't worry. If you know everything cannot be known in 6 weeks. 6 weeks is only a trailer. Oh my God! It is only a trailer. After that, what will happen? After that, you will know what should be known. After 6 weeks, you will know that I know very less and I should have known more. And then you will think, I think we should study more. Okay. So, Karm, so Purv Bhag and Paschat Bhag. Karm is 3 level. Kaik, Vachik and Mansik. Kaik means by the body. Vachik means by the speech. And Mansik means by the mind. So these 3 kind of karm is there in the Ved Purv Bhag. Kaik means where only body is involved. Vachik, like you chant. I think chanting is going on. So you will have more of Vedic chanting is there. Like you chanted, Meda Sukt was chanted in the morning. Meda Sukt. Om Yash Chandasam Rishabho Vishwarupa. This was chanted. This is in the Vedas. Vachik karma is there, where you chant. And you will get very bored while chanting also. But that is very important because you cannot propitiate God without that. The problem is that we don't know what we need. So you will say, what is all this there? If you want bright intellect, which you need very desperately, so at that time you need to chant, you have to bring Saraswati ji. And therefore this Yash Chandasa, Meda Sukt, it's for memory. Oh, I did not know that. I think I'll chant many times. but I forgot what to chant. So in that in that book is there. So you have to chant Om Yaschandasa. This is Meda Sukt. If to make you bright. If you don't chant, brightness won't be coming then. So that is Vachik Karma. And Upasnani means jap, which your mental activities are there. You are chanting mentally. Like Vishnu Sahasranam is there. Today is Vishnu Sahasranam. After this, Vishnu Sahasranam is there. So in Vishnu Sahasranam, it is Vachik. You have to chant it. Om Vishwasmai Namaha. You just don't just offer flower. You will be given some book also. Some people don't know what to chant. They just offer. Om Vashatkaray Namaha. So they just see the one who is chanting and just chant. Some say only Namaha because they don't know. But now you will be given a book, so you can see the book and chant. The problem is, by the time you see, that name has gone. This is the problem. Only Vashatkaraya Namaha. So you are seeing Vashatkaraya. Then he has come to another word, and then you remember which one. So you now 3 names are missed out. So you hurriedly you say this is not done. Only with that name you have to put. And therefore it is important. You should know those names. You will see this will happen. So 3 actions: Kaik, Vachik and Mansik. Where? Which part? Ved Puru Bhag or Karma Kand. Okay. Kaik. There only puja you are doing. Only body is involved. In puja you have to use body. You have to get up. You have to do arti. You can't do arti with the eyes. It's not arti now. you you have to get up. Or you have to get up and prepare naivedya. You have to prepare some kheer or something and get in the vessel. You can't sit like that and you say Bhagwan naivedya kya, where is naivedya? It is not proper then. It is just like you call somebody and don't give any food and water. You have to offer naivedya when you are doing puja. And you have to offer flower also. And not the plastic flower from Roshna you take. You have to have real flowers. And same flower you wash every day and offer. It's not like that. So you have to offer new flowers. And you have to have agarbatti. And full agarbatti. One person cut agarbatti in 4 pieces. So, kanjoos person. Full agarbatti and 2 agarbatti, not 1. 2 agarbattis are required. You need to light that agarbatti. And there is agarbatti stand. Don't use banana for agarbatti stand. God has made banana not for agarbatti stand. There is separate agarbatti. And if you don't have, you can get from her. You have agarbatti stand. Okay, you can get. But be careful. Don't put 5 agarbatti. Stand will fall down. And you are in meditation. You will then smell something. Everything is burnt now. So, when there is a kaik karma, kaik karma means your body is involved. But vachik karma, body is not involved. You are just chanting it. And mansik, neither body nor. Then you have quietened your mind. And inside you are chanting. Nobody is hearing what you are chanting. What you are chanting? Om Namah Shivaya. So you start with the vachik. Then slowly you are just chanting in the mind. That is which karma? Mansik. Totally mental action. It becomes upasanani. It becomes upasana. All 3 kinds of action are mentioned in the Ved Purubhag. And lot of rituals are there. You won't believe also how much rituals are there. too much karma kand is there. This havan, this homam, and putreshti yagna is there. A person who doesn't have son, he can get son by the yajna. If it is not raining, he can get rain. And why son? Why not daughter? For daughter also it is there. For daughter also in the Vedas mantras are there. Please give me duhita vidushi. Give me not foolish daughter, but give me an intelligent daughter. This is the karma kand portion. Give me a bright son. That is also there. Give me a good husband. Let this I should get a house. I should have money. So all kind of yagya yagas are there in the Vedas. Oh, I did not know that, I think. Especially money one, please tell me. Give me health. A lot of health issues are there. So give me what is the karma kand for health? Ayush homam is there. Oh. So big area is there for that. So don't think I don't believe in ritual. You don't know what is ritual. Therefore you are talking. Don't say and don't use such flying language. This is a bad habit. When we don't know anything, we should keep quiet. Well, I don't believe this Vedas. Tell me one mantra of Veda. What do you know? When you don't know about something, better to keep quiet and first know in what you believe and what you don't believe in. ऐसे नहीं बोल दो कुछ भी. Because I don't know mathematics. You can't say I don't believe in mathematics. What do you know about mathematics? Because you are a poor student in mathematics, it doesn't mean mathematics is wrong. Because you are not good student of karma kand, it doesn't mean karma kand is wrong. Don't rush to the conclusion. Okay, हम लोग कुछ पता नहीं है. In 2 days rains will fall. So strong havans are there. After Bhagavad was over, Janmejay was the son of Parikshit. He got very angry. On whom? On whom? Snakes. And you know what he did? He said, I will now see that all snakes are wiped out from this earth. He did some sarp yajna. And one after another snakes started falling on the yajna. And started burning. Mantras have big power. But the main snake was not coming with his father, Takshak. He was hiding with Indra. So when he shouted Janmejay to the priest, said, how come Takshak is not coming? He said, he has hidden with Indra. He said, let Indra also fall. He said, what are you talking? He is the Devta. And if he falls, then there will be lack of equilibrium. Then Brahmaji came. He said, please quieten your anger. For one mistake, you cannot punish everybody. So there is a big power of karma kand. We don't know our religion. Okay. Achha. Bhagwan Ram was born with the yajna. Bhagwan Ram. Agni Devta came with the kheer in his hand and gave to Kaushalya, etc. So please refrain from using such language which is not clear, which is not right. Okay, little science we study, little science takes you away from the religion, but lot of you will take you closer to the religion. Little science, little Bayes' law, Charles' law we study. Little things we study. Faraday's law of electromagnetic phalana this and Dimaka this. And Einstein has said E is equal to mc square. And that plinth is there. And then little I study this physics and chemistry. And H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. And benzene is there. C6H6 क्या है? O12 क्या है? सही कुछ है. And little we feel what is this, all these things. There is a bigger world which you don't see. There is a bigger devatas you don't see. Unseen world is bigger than the seen world. There is a big unseen world behind you. Like you have a body, but your mind is not seen. But your mind is more powerful than the body. Body is only this much, small, but mind is very big. Acha, हाँ. So this is the Vek Purv. What is the result of that? Three types of karm phalani is there by this Purv Bhag. First is instrument of enjoyment should be good. Second is object of enjoyment they want. And third is environment of enjoyment they want. I should have a good body, good eyes, good nose, good tongue, good hands, good legs. If body is not okay, how will you enjoy? Well, very nice gulab jamun I have brought. Well, I have diabetes. Go out then. You cannot eat. Give me one spoon. Spoon you take without the rasgulla. No, no, but I want the whole. No, if you take, then tomorrow you will have very high. Your diabetes will shoot up. It will be about 25, 26. You can't get under control then. So what shall I do? Don't eat lot of potato. Don't take rice. Don't take what is it called? Too much sweet fruit, especially these grapes, etc. Acha? Why? Arey, your sugar will rise. Oh my God. Why sugar will rise? Because one part of your body has become sugar factory. Pancreas are the one, which is not creating insulin. Insulin is not there. So that sugar, you are not converting the sugar into carbohydrate and energy. Oh my God. And if you make lot of sugar, kidney will be affected. Already brain is affected. So and other parts of the body will be affected. Brain is affected without diabetes. Now the kidney will be affected. So instrument of enjoyment they want. Second thing, what did I say? Object of Vishayaha. Acha, instrument is very good. No diabetes, no blood pressure, eyes, but nobody gives me anything. You should have nice things outside also. And third thing, nice environment should be there. There should be, how hotels run? Ambience. Ambience is very good. You go to 5-star hotel and you go to simple dhaba. Dhaba you don't know here. Roadside hotel in India, that is called dhaba, where all dust comes. All dust comes. And that person's the waiter, he is in half pant, hands are dirty. And in between he does like this also. His name will be Kalu. So chalo bhai le aao 4 roti. So he will bring the roti like this in the hand. The plate will not be that clean, but it is very tasty by the way. Koi ambience. And in between you hear the big horn. Horn. In between dog also comes. Street dogs. Then you see cows come inside. Cow inside the dhaba. So this is the environment. Ambience and lot of heat is there. And jug will be there. Half his finger will be inside the jug. So he will give that. There is no tap. There is a big bucket. From that bucket he is taking the water. And similarly, you go to 5-star hotel. Is there. One person will be big. His big hat will be there. He'll open the door. He'll speak in English. Waiter will be sophisticated. Menu will be brought like that. Menu book will be there. Yes, sir. How are you? Fine. Thank you. Yes, he will say like that. What do you want? Yeah, start with. Thank you, sir. Fine. How are you? Fine. Nice soft music will be there. Tung, 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 tung. Nice chandeliers will be there hanging around that. You're just watching everybody. More than the dish, you watch the waiter. Waiter also very good looking here. So you will see that waiter. Big plate will be there, and nice tablecloth will be there. You will put on gloves, etc. Who is serving? White gloves. Nice rotis will be there. Nice, very nice ambience is there. All very important people are there. He will open the door for you. Close the door. Bottle will be, you will get the bottle, closed bottle. Very hygienic, too hygienic it is there. So you want ambience also. You know, this hall is there. For study, you need ambience also. You can't have a knowledge everywhere outside. You can't have the somebody is coming disturbing. No, room closed. Nice light is there. Hmm? Warm light. Hmm? Table is there. Chair is also good. And you have the what is it? Armrest is also there. Desk also is nice. Nice ambience. Ambience is there. Huh? This is ambience is very important. Acha? Same thing you can't study in the house. Everything is very quiet. So they are asking in Purvabhag, please give me proper body and sense organ. Please give me outer objects and please give me nice environment also. For what? For enjoyment. But why they are asking for enjoyment? They are asking for enjoyment because they have a desire. But why they have desire? That is another question. But why the Vedas are fulfilling their desires? Because Vedas want that at least you should believe in God first and ask from the God. Don't go to enjoyment through illegitimate means. This way you will come closer to God and closer to religious life. So they are asking for all these things. Okay. Got my point. So what is a very good thing? Good thing you feel this body is not permanent. You are getting the fruit of your action. So you stop doing any bad action and you start doing good action because you become God fearing. You will feel if I do good, I will get good. Okay. If somebody has good husband, good wife, good children, good house, good money, then you infer he must have done some good action. And therefore, I am good action oriented person. I believe in Jeev Bhav. So to come straight on the Atma in the Vedant Bhag is difficult for ordinary person. So Vedas say do gradually. You satisfy your desire through right means. And then he satisfies his desires because he has done. Then what happens after satisfying his desire? So he becomes king, she becomes queen, or he becomes a very big businessman. He gets something lot. At least in his mind, he is a religious person he has become. Not spiritual. He has become religious person. He has become karm kandi person. He is going through a proper channel and way. Achha, and therefore, in Chamakam, what you chant, Chamakam, you may not know it, those who chant, you know what they are? What? Only thing is lot of objects. Urkcha me, sunartacha me, payascha me, rasascha me, gratamcha me, give me lot of ghee, give me lot of milk, give me lot of curd. Sushacha me, let my morning be good, let my evening be good. Big list is there. There is nothing they left. Shikta chame, let me have lot. If I am constructing, let me have lot of sand. Let me have lot of bricks. Let me have hiranyam chame. Let me have lot of gold. Ordinary person's requirement is like that. So he feels there is a God who can fulfill, and I am going through a right process, and he gets it. After getting that, very important, he feels every object in this world has three problems. What is there? Dukh mishritatvam. It is mixed with some sorrow. Mixed with sorrow, yes. I have a very lovely wife. Acha. Sure. Very difficult. No, but I have that. Really, really. Mm. Some sorrow also will be there. What sorrow is there? When she goes away to her house, it will be a sorrow. And when she will not be there, or supposing she passes, you will have a lot of sorrow. Whole next part of the life will be sorrow. If the wife is very good. If the wife is not good after passing, sorrow is very less. So, but if this is there, that is called dukh mishri tattvam. And while living also you will have sorrow. How come? Because anything is very good, you want it for yourself completely. I don't want to share. You should not go. Why you are talking to your mother every day? No, but I'm just talking. It's her birthday. What birthday? Every time, every year birthday comes. Morning you had wished. No, evening she called for party. Did not go. Why? It's okay. Old lady. Why she is having parties? So he gets very possessive. Possessive, you understand? No? Huh? From you, from what is your source of joy? I don't want that somebody else should be there. दुख मिश्रितत्वम प्रॉब्लम आ गई अब. Why you are talking to that person? Who? He. I'm just talking because I'm purchasing. No, purchase and go. Why are you smiling so much? I can't smile. No, it's okay, but why are you smiling too much? Don't smile. Mind is not an easy thing to handle. It's a complex thing. Dukkha mishritatvam. Second thing. Atriptikaratvam. It is unfulfilled ever. More you get, more you feel lesser I have. Fulfillment is not there. And third is bandhakatvam. You get too attached with that husband and wife. So shape of wife will be in the mind till the last moment. The next birth, wife won't get. At least you will become a woman now. This birth, my name was Ramesh. Next birth, Twinkle. Ramesh Prasad has become Twinkle now. हाँ, वो Twinkle हो गया. Why? What happened to that wife? Arey, she went somewhere else. She is not joined. No. She has another fruit of action. He is born in New York. Who? That Ramesh who became Twinkle now. And wife has gone and she became another man. His name is Shanta Prasad. Where is he born? He is born near a place in Delhi, Firozabad. Acha? Haan. So there is no relation. No relation. What is no relation? All relations are for short time. Then what happened? Now Twinkle is busy now with something else. Three problems. Say in Sanskrit also. You have to say Dukh Mishritatvam. Repeat. So mixed with sorrow. Second was Atripti Karatvam. Repeat. Atripti Karatvam. And third, Bandhakatvam. Bandhakatvam. You should get familiarized with Sanskrit words. Don't you should have no fear from Sanskrit. Please. Oh my God. Yes. You are likely to have some Sanskrit classes. We'll start from the basic. Ka, ka, ga, ga. Oh my God. Yes. Today only. We'll tell you. Don't worry. With every bhog. Even Swarg also. Well, but so much of karm kand he did and he got it. Oh, but it is like that. जा रहा है छोड़ के मत जाना हमको प्लीज लीव डोंट लीव मी Arey, but this is the law. One has to leave each other, sir. Don't leave me alone. Then to whom shall I give to you? You are such a problematic person. Dukh Mishri Tattvam will be there. No, very nice food I have. Nice food. Don't say anything too tasty is not good for your health. God has made the world like that only. And what is not very tasty, that alone is good for your health. Kerala is very good for your health. Papaya is very good for your health. I don't like fruits. No, whether you like or not, but that alone is good for your health. I like, chili paneer. Not good for your health. It will get acidity. I like roti with lot of butter. Butter is not too good for your health. Cholesterol you will develop. Sure. I like cold drink. Oh my God, that is worst. Why? That cold thing, when it goes in the stomach, it retards your digestion process. Warm water is best. Cold water is worst. And worst, Coke is the worst. Ramdev ji says it's a toilet cleaner. If you put in that Coke bottle teeth melts away. But very tasty, huh? That chips is very good. Chips is the worst food. Why? Because first potato, then fried. It is worst. Third, salt is there. Potato boiled is excellent. It is good source of carbohydrate. Moment to fry and all these things, it has taste, but everything has gone. But I like all these things only. Not the fruit and not that vegetable. I don't like salad, of course. So then you be ready, you are the source of income for the doctor then. Looking forward, doctors, doctors should not say looking forward to see you. So, Dukh Mishri Tattvam in good food, good wife, good husband, good job. Mixed with sorrow, it comes in a package. Sometimes you get toothpaste, you get brush free. I don't know here you get or not. In India, there's a lot of packages are there. Toothpaste, one brush free. And this way to compulsory dukh will come. Why? You get attached to it. You cannot live without this. And atripti, you are never satisfied. Our bhog of 1,000 years also it won't be satisfied. And bandhakaratvam, it will take you to the new birds. And therefore, what therefore? Therefore, the seeker gets a shocking things. First part of my life, I squandered health for wealth. I squandered away health for wealth. Second part of the life, I am squandering wealth for health. And third part of my life, both is lost. कोई टाइम नहीं खाने का, eating anything, drinking anything. ऐसा ही है. तो क्या करें हम? बोले, then I think you have to go to Ved Ant Bhag. What is Ved Ant Bhag? What is the reality if this is not there? What is that goal which does not have these three things? Very good question. Well done. What is the goal? Because anything I will make goal, this problem will be there. Yes. If I make my house goal, wife goal, children goal, money goal, this problem will be there. Three problems. Yes. It is attached. It is comes with a package. You can't take it out. Suffering will be there. Sorrow won't go. Anything you get. Anything you get. Fame. You'll be afraid of getting a bad name if you are famous. If I am very nice, I'm very beautiful, supposing you'll be afraid of old age. Although you're not, no, nothing to afraid because you're not beautiful. So, if you are, if anybody is there, then you will afraid of, the skin starts sagging, gravity starts acting everywhere. So you start, this starts hanging here, this starts hanging here, voice starts shivering here. गया वो? हाँ, but this is my young photograph. This is you? Yes. गया वो? गई वो. दुख बहुत, शरीर में बहुत दर्द है, a lot of pain is there here. I can't raise my hand. Raise? I can't move, not more than this. I went to physiotherapist. He can't raise no more than this. क्या हो गया? Do some exercise. Too much of pain. It is locked. दुख मिश्रित तत्व, अतृप्ति का. Then question comes, what is that? In which three problems are not there. That is moksha purushartha, which we talked in the morning, and yesterday 2 classes we gave up. Okay, understanding now. You are talking about the Atma, yes, which is all pervading everywhere with everybody. It is closest to the self, and which is not the fruit of action. Yes, 5 things are in Atma. Oh, nice. How to know it? We cannot do anything, no? No. Why? Because it is everything already there. You do something to make something. You cannot make Atma in the laboratory. Bole, put some HCl and H2S. HCl, H2S and sulfuric acid. Also you put H2S, SO4, sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, HCl. And put some kind of benzene and some nitrogen also, N2. क्या होगा? आत्मा निकल आएगी. So this will this you already thought, I told you that Atma cannot come out because it is already there. It is already there. Here also. You mean to say that Atma which is all pervasive is there? Yes. And it is closest to me also. I am. Okay. Gurudev. But why don't I know that? Very good question. So how to know that Atma? There is where Vedanta Bhag is coming, which is called Upanishad. He said, hello, Kathopanishad is speaking. And then, there is a desk is there in the airport. May I help you? May I help you? Who are you? Kathopanishad. What do you want? I want to know about that Atma. Oh. Why don't you go to that Purvabhaga of Vedanta? No. Dukha mishritatvam, atripti karatvam, bandhakatvam. Everything is riddled with sorrow. I saw in this life, wherever I got attached, I had lot of problems. You had that experience? Yes. How long you took? 65 years. Not bad. At least you knew it. Now I have very less here available. Never mind. We'll start next birth. No, I want this birth only. Okay, then start at least today. How Vedanta? So Vedanta is a knowledge, that means it won't ask you to do anything. No. It's a knowledge. Exactly. Knowledge is required where you want to know something is existing. Action is required where you want to change something. What is this knowledge of Vedanta? We'll see it in our next class.